Welcome back to $1 Insights. Inflation is eating away at your paycheck. Every dollar feels smaller, and every price tag feels bigger. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back? Today, I'll show you 5 proven strategies to survive and even thrive during inflation. Let's go. Inflation happens when demand for goods and services outpaces supply, or when costs rise, like during global supply chain disruptions or rising fuel prices. In short, it's more money chasing fewer goods. But here's the good news. You can outsmart inflation with the right plan. Budget smarter. First things first, review your budget. Cut unnecessary expenses and focus on essentials. Use tools like Mint or Yanab to track your spending. Tip: shop generic brands and buy in bulk to save on essentials. Next, invest in inflation-protected assets. Assets like Treasury, inflation-protected securities, TIPS, dividend-paying stocks, and real estate tend to hold value during inflation. Don't keep all your savings in cash. Let your money work for you. Increase your income streams. Look for side hustles, freelancing, online tutoring, or selling digital products. Inflation might eat into your paycheck, but an extra income stream can balance it out. Pay off high-interest debt. Inflation raises the cost of everything, including debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt like credit cards. Tip: consider refinancing at a lower rate if possible. Stock up on essentials. Inflation drives up prices on everyday necessities like food and fuel. To stay ahead, buy non-perishable items when they're on sale and look for discount programs or cashback deals. Also, consider meal planning to reduce waste and make your groceries last longer. Now that you know how to survive inflation, let's bust some common myths that could be costing you money. Myth 1. Gold is the only safe investment. Fact: diversifying is key, not just gold. Myth 2. Inflation only affects low-income households. Fact: everyone feels inflation, just in different ways. Myth 3. Savings accounts are useless. Fact: high-yield savings accounts still protect your money from erosion. Now that these strategies can help you beat inflation and keep your finances healthy in 2025, which strategy will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart money tips every week. See you next time.